Hi guys, welcome. Today we learn about inheritance in OOPS. Inheritance is nothing but if there are two classes, if class A can access the properties of class B, class B can access the properties of class A. Here the class A is called as parent class and class B called as child class, since it can inherit the properties and methods of class A. This way, this is the concept of inheritance. Let's see what are the different types of inheritance. Here there are single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, in hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Let's see how single level inheritance work. Here the class B is a child class of class A. Here A is the parent class. Since the syntax is in this way, B of A, it is inheriting the properties and properties and methods of class A. Let's see how it gets executed. Here let's execute this. Here I am creating an object for using class B and accessing the method of class A. This is called inheritance. Let's execute this. Since the method in class A is get accessed with by the help of object 1, can say that this is single level inheritance. In this way inheritance work. Next, coming to multi-level inheritance. Here there will be chain of inheritance. Here B is inheriting the properties of class A and C is inheriting the properties of class B. Indirectly we can it can be seen in this way that C is also inheriting the properties of class A through class B. Let's see how it works. Let's execute. After executing, let's see, like I'm creating a class object through class A. After that object accessing the method of I'm creating the object of using class C, and this object 1 is accessing the method of class A, that is A method. Let's execute this and see what happens. Here the object is get accessed the method, and this way multi-level inheritance work. Next, coming to hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there is one parent class and multiple child classes. Here A is the parent class, B is the child class of that A, and C is the child class of that A. Here C and B has will inherit the properties and methods of class A. Let's execute and see how it works. Here I am executing this side again. Here I am creating a two objects B and C, and it is two objects, object 1 object 2 of class B and C. They are accessing the method A. Here the method is accessed. In this way hierarchical inheritance work. Next, coming to multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, there will be more parent classes inherited by single class. Next, here we can see C is inheriting A class and B class. Here, let's see how it works. Here, object for C class is created, and here object is accessing the method of A class and accessing the method of B class. Let's execute how it and see how it works. Here we are getting class A and class B as the output. In this way we can say that a multiple inheritance, there will be a more parent classes inherited by one single child class. In this way multiple inheritance work. Next, we should know about a keyword, that is super. In the inheritance concept, we should know about super. Before knowing about super, let's see how we can inherit the, we know the inherit concept. Here A is inheriting the properties and methods of A. B is inheriting the properties and methods of A. After inheriting, uh, as usual we are giving the uh, instance variables at the in the construct inside the constructor, and it works. Let's execute this, and the object is b is here. The method in b method is accessed by the object, and we are getting 1 2 3 4. To reduce this code, I can use the super method, so that the super method will be used. I will use the uh, constructor properties of uh, that constructor properties of a. Let's see how it works. Super dot slashes init. Here I am giving mentioning a comma b. In this way, we can reduce the code and have. Let's run it and run it again. Here we are getting 1 2 3 4 again. In this way, using super keyword, we can reduce the code and increase the performance. This is the method super, and hence we have learned the concept of inheritance. Please do the exercise in the link. uh, Exercise link is mentioned in the video description. Thank you. Happy learning.